Good morning, students. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing all really well. I just wanted to take a moment to explain the stations activity you are going to be doing at home. There's two versions. So one, your little lab will look like this, and the other one, your lab will look like this. What you're going to do is you're going to work through each of these stations. So there's a watch it, read it, write it, assess it, research it, explore it. I think it'd be best if you guys go in order as you go down. I crossed out illustrate it because you guys do not have to do illustrate it. But once again, I think you should go in order. So watch it, read it, explore it, organize it, assess it. Same on this one. Explore, read, watch, research, write it, organize, assess it. What you're gonna do, you can click on, if you go into present, and you can do this also in not present mode, but if you click on it, it will take you to the page that you have to do. Now, this is the part that I wanted to explain. So you're gonna go through the instructions. Each one is explained really well. Some will have answers here, some will have things that you have to move. Complete the slide, and then if it has a thing down in the corner, I'm gonna exit so you can see it. If it has a little thing down in the corner that says go back to lab, that means you're done with that station. You can click on it and it'll take you back to this lab. Some of them will be longer, so let's look at this one. So if you look, explore part 1, you're gonna do this slide. You can click go to part 2, you go to part 2, keep following it, go to part 3, go to part 4, well, or you could go on to just the next one, but some have multiple parts. You want to go until you see that go back to the lab room. You aren't complete with a station until you see that go back to lab, and then it takes you back to this front room. So the challenge it is a extension, so that's optional, you don't have to do it, but you do have to do all the other ones. When you are done with a station, there's these little check boxes, and you can actually just drag them over and put it in front of your wherever you whatever you just completed. So that's how you can keep track of what you did. So that's just the basics of how you're going to do stations. Same with this one, you drag it when you're done so that you know you're done. Same thing. Oops, I didn't want to drag that little. And then the same with this, like you can click on it to go to it and it'll take you there. So that's the basics. Let me know if you have any questions with that. Otherwise, this is something you're going to be doing at your at-home day. Have a good day, everyone.